Hello, it's Xmx here, and I'm going to be showing you how you can create your own modded Minecraft server. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is we're going to be downloading Paper. So you can find the Paper server file by searching up Paper server download. So it will come up with Paper MC, and if you're wanting the newest version of Minecraft, say 1.19.4, then go to here. But I want maybe an older version of Minecraft, so I'm going to go to minecraftversion.net. So I mainly play on 1.19.2, and I'll probably move to 1.20 when it comes out, but I'm going to click download on this button. I'm going to save it, and I have the file here. Now go to your downloads and find the file here for me, and I'm just going to drag it onto my desktop. Now it's here. What I'm going to do is right click my desktop, go to new, and folder. There's a new folder here, and I'm going to be calling this Xmx's Fabric server. Now I'm going to open my folder, and I'm going to drag in the paper file. We've got my paper file here. Renaming will be different for different versions, so you might have to figure it out for yourself if you don't know how to do it on your version. And I'm just going to rename it to paper.jar. And I right click new, and I'm going to go to text document. Just save this as run.txt and open it. So I'm going to paste in this line of code for my server. You can copy this line of code out, but there are some things you're going to want to change, which I'll explain now. So here, this number is how much RAM I have. So this is in megabytes. And I have 4 gigabytes or 4096 megabytes. I would recommend using 1/4 of your computer's RAM. Here, if you don't know what RAM is, it might be quite complicated for you to understand this. But basically, if you've got a slow computer, like say you're running this on a laptop or a slow PC, then I would change it to either 2048, or you could try your luck and go 1024, which is the minimum for a Minecraft server, and it may well not run. You could even go above what I use if you have, say, 32 gigabytes of RAM or just a really powerful PC. So say you have an even more powerful PC, I could do 8192. I can run at 8192, definitely, but I'm not going to. And then again, go to File. This time you're actually going to do Save As, and change this to Run.Bat, and save as type all files. Go back to your server files, and you can delete the original file. Now the easy part, you just open this, and it will begin downloading the jar file for the server. Now mine is finished downloading, you're going to come up with an error. Failed to load properties from server.properties, and also a warning, failed to load EUA.txt. It will tell you need to agree to the EULA in order to run the server, and go to EULA.txt for more info. So press any key to continue, like A, and you can see it will have made some more files. So here, EULA.txt, just going to open this and change this to true. Save it with Control S or just file save. And then use the run.bat file again. It will come up with something like this, and the server has actually started. So I can actually go, and now I can test out the server. Okay, so now we've set up our server, we're going to want to test it out. So the server address is temporarily going to be equal localhost, and the server name can of course be anything. I've got my server, it's going to show me my ping when I hover over that, it's going to show me the player count, and I can just click play, and I'm in my Minecraft server. So now you're in your Minecraft server, you're going to want to make yourself an operator, right? So I'm going to show you how you can do that. So I can go back to my console and just write op for my username, so access. And I'm an operator. I can do /give axox acacia vote, sure. I don't know. You might be thinking, well, what else am I going to do? Well, of course, the part of the tutorial you actually came for, mods. And also something called port forwarding, which will allow other people to actually play on it who are not on your internet. So I'm just going to shut down my server by saying stop. And it will start saving. Don't close it while it's saving. I'm going to go back to this file here. And I have a plugin folder. So I'm going to open my plugins folder. And there will be a file called bstats in it. Just ignore that. And we're going to go and find any plugin. Plugin I'm going to add is a plugin called Quality Armory, which basically adds guns to Minecraft, which is probably not the whole point of Minecraft, but so I'm just going to click download now. So I trust this plugin. And I'm just going to take this, drag it inside this server, and then drag it again inside the plugins folder. Inside the plugins, I'm gonna turn the server on. It may take a while to turn on when it's getting a new plugin for the first time. Loading quality armory is working. Enabling quality armory. Loading the guns, whatever. Okay, I'm gonna log onto the server. So for this plugin, I know I need to do /QA craft, and I have all these guns, this is just the most unethical Minecraft mod. But anyway, yeah, I'm just gonna take my gun, I'm gonna reload it. Okay, yeah, this is the weirdest Minecraft mod ever. It's just so. Look at this. This is perhaps not the best Minecraft mod. The last thing I'm going to want to do is port forwarding, and I cannot explain that. Don't ask me to try and explain that. So I'm going to be leaving a few links to how to port forward in the description of this video. So yeah, thanks for watching.